How to save and export photos from Photoleap. First of all, open the Photoleap app and wait for it to fully load. Next, tap on Edit Photo from the top toolbar and select the image you want to edit or capture a new photo using the camera icon at the top right. Once you finish editing your photo, look for the Save icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap the Save icon and you will see options to export your photo. Choose your preferred export format such as JPEG or PNG depending on your needs. After setting your preferences, tap on the download button in the image to save the photo to your device gallery. Additionally, Photoleap allows you to share your edited photo directly to social media platforms or cloud storage apps from the Share menu. Once the export is complete, you can access your photo anytime from your device or share it whenever you like. And that's it. Now you know how to save and export photos from Photoleap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.